When washing my bike after returning from the last trip from Gunnison, I noticed that this was rattling. So what I did was I marked a little index mark underneath here because I want to put back the light exactly as I found it when I take this off to see what's going on underneath. Using a 10mm socket on this side, we can undo the bolt from this side. There's a washer on both sides, so be careful. See? Washer on the nut side and washer on the screw side. Take this off. You can see this slides off, and it slid right off because if you look underneath here, I don't know if you can see that in the shot, probably not. Let's see. If you look here, there's a hole, and that hole is for a screw. See? The screw goes into that threaded bit there, and that screw is missing. So what was holding it in place was just this wire and this bracket, but this was rattling. So what I did was I contacted Denali Electronics and asked them to send me a screw, and they sent one screw in the mail in this little Ziploc baggie, which we're going to install now. But because it slipped out all by itself, I'm going to put some Loctite on the end of it. I've got the correct sized hex driver. It's a 1/4 inch, so I'm going to put my screw in there. Hopefully this is on the shot. Yep. And I've got one of these sets here, and it's a 1/4 inch. You screw that in, make sure it's tight. So that's tight there, and then we just put this bracket back on. Change the angle. We just put this bracket back on here. Thread the screw through. Put the washer back on. So we got that in there. We just tighten up this. Like I said, it's a nylock nut, so it's got the plastic piece in there so that it doesn't rotate. You align this back up again. I think it's pretty much aligned there right now. Close enough. And then just draw this down. Pretty darn tight. But look at this. No more rattling. Perfect. So essentially, good customer service from Denali. The thing was rattling. I contacted them. Actually, I shared with them a little bit of a video, and I showed them exactly what was going on. I can't remember. Maybe it's a photograph. And they sent me the screw, and I replaced it, and problem solved. Good customer service from Twisted Throttle, Denali Electronics. Just wanted to show this video just to show that if your lights start rattling, that's probably what happened. Catch you in the next one.